Hi, my name is Paul Psolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and IvyMasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 5, Section 1, number 29, which reads, in line 88, sheer most nearly means. So this is vocabulary and context. You know you have vocabulary and context, and whenever you see the words most nearly means. So some things to keep in mind. First off, you want to ignore any meaning of the word that you're familiar with. You have to get it 100% on context. A lot of times a College Board will give you a very common word that has a very obscure meaning. So you never want to say, oh, that's wrong because the word doesn't mean that. It probably does mean that. It's just a dictionary definition you're unfamiliar with. You got to pay 100% attention to the context. Another thing you could do is think your own word or words that would fit the context. Another thing you could do is put each answer choice in place of the original word. Keep in mind, oftentimes there'll be a synonym before or after the word. So in line 88, sheer most nearly means, we go up to the passage and we get here the sentence, but for delivering sheer calories, especially on our staple crops of wheat, rice, maize, soybeans, and so on, conventional farms have the advantage right now. So what's meant by sheer calories? I think in my own head, he's just considering calories, only considering calories, and we want to take that into consideration. And also, you can put each answer choice in place of the original word. So when delivering what kind of calories? So when delivering transparent calories, could you see through the calories? No, you cannot. When considering abrupt calories, abrupt calories. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. It's not like calories all of a sudden are sprung on you. Eating is a gradual process, but that doesn't make sense anyway. When considering steep calories, that doesn't make sense. Another thing you do is work backwards from the answer choice. You'd say it's a sheer drop if it's like a cliff or something like that, and that's not how it's used here. Stockings are sheer. Sometimes, you know, you could see through them. So anyway, when delivering nothing but calories, when just considering calories, pure calories, conventional farming is where it's at. Answer choice D is your correct answer. Now I mentioned several things. The more of those things you could do, they could serve as checks for each other. Make sure it makes sense when you do a number of those things. That's the best way to ensure you have the correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with vocabulary and context questions. If there's any question you'd like to see answered with any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.